Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this XGPS drone. This is a very light and compact drone. Makes it really good for easy use and travel use as well. It is very, very small. Now, it kind of looks like a remote control car, but I'm going to show you guys how to unfold this thing. Pretty simple. All you do is fold these out, fold this out, and fold these ones up. Super duper simple. So it makes it very, very compact, as you guys can see. It is also very, very small, so it's not a big, gigantic drone that you can't fit into your backpack. But nevertheless, you also have the landing stands, which is really good because these clip out and easily get pushed in, so very, very nice. Now you do have a battery on the bottom of this, and if you tap it once, it'll indicate how much battery it has. And if you hold it like long press, then it'll actually turn the drone on, which I'm going to do in a couple seconds. But in the packaging, you get extra propellers, you get a mini screwdriver for the remote, which I'll show you, and you also do get an extra battery, and obviously the charger. So I'm going to set this down, I'm going to turn it on. You'll see that the lights start blinking, and then this is the camera right here, and there's extra lights right there, and a thing right here. So I'm going to set this bad boy in. Now onto the GPS aspect, and the remote aspect. It takes 3 AAA batteries, which does not come included, but very, very simple to use. All you have to do is take that mini screwdriver in the box, in the container, in the plastic bag, and unscrew this, put 3 AAA batteries. Then you have it pretty simple. This is up, this is down, this is left, right. You have forward, backwards, left, and right. And it just depends on which way you're headed, because you might have to use left to go right, right to go left, so it just depends, so you have to get used to it. Pretty simple. Before taking off though, I do recommend, and by do recommend, I strongly suggest that you guys use the gyroscope. You get an instruction manual as well, so take a gander at that. This is one thing that you actually want to use, an instruction manual, or it might end up in your neighbor's yard, which has happened to me, so I would definitely recommend you do it. Super duper simple. You do that before every flight so that it doesn't lose control, because the GPS does take a little bit to kind of get adjusted and calibrated. But then as soon as the actual drone turns on, you want to let it stand for about 3 minutes so it can connect to the best satellites. The typical is 8, and after you connect it to 8, it'll work a little bit better than it would if it didn't. It's also recommended to use this thing in a very open environment. A backyard would do great, a front yard would do great. I wouldn't recommend flying this over people or in areas where you're not supposed to be flying drones. You can also connect your phone to it, which makes it a whole lot easier to use your phone. And that's what, and I'm going to get my assistant to do that for me. And when that happens, you're going to hear a long D sound. And then all you're going to have to do is take your drone and start turning it counterclockwise. And this is where you're going to turn it 3 times counterclockwise. And then you're going to hear a noise. And then you're going to face it down. And it's going to start rapidly flashing blue. And then you want to turn it again counterclockwise. There we go. You're going to hear another noise. And then you want to set it down, and then it's going to slowly blink as music. You're good to go. That's all you really need to know. But yeah, nevertheless, this is a great product. I love it. It works. I enjoy it a lot, and I do recommend it. So I hope you guys take a little something away from this video. And yeah, calibrate. You're gonna hit this middle button right here. You're gonna hear a beeping noise, and then you hit this unlock button, which will start the propellers. And I'm just gonna fly it that way, and I'll fly it back, and I'll show you that it works, and it's a really good product. So as you guys can see, and fly it that way. I'm still kind of getting used to flying a drone, But as you guys can see, I'm right over my garden, and I can put this camera down. I can turn it around, and you guys can see us right here. That's me and my assistant. I'm gonna wave at you guys, as you guys can see. And on impact, it'll stop, which is even better than I expected.